Hi folks, welcome to PB Hobby. This is the 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe, which was my father's. He plans to give it to me, which I really appreciate, and that's very thoughtful of him. But there are some problems with it, you know, as with every vehicle. This one is a, like I said, 04. It's got 211,000 miles, but as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Okay, he used this as a work vehicle. All right, if you feel that you've seen worse, then good for you, I guess. This is pretty bad in my honest opinion. So this is the condition it's in now. He is a smoker, so there is quite a bit of ash to clean up, but nothing, you know, that's too bad. The previous owner from him left the windows open, so therefore there are, you know, unfortunately permanent spots of mold, but it's not active mold. But yeah, so this is gonna be quite the project, but I am up for it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start vacuuming it with a shop vac. You know, try to make as much progress as I can for today. Here's the shop vac. It's a 2 horsepower, you know, Walmart special, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started and see what we can do with a shop vac for now. Alright, here's a little before and after. If you can see the dirty area, and then of course the cleaned area. Not a major change besides the, you know, debris. It's not going to become perfect. This vehicle does need work, you know, with cleanse wise, but mechanically, honestly, not much is wrong with it. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. In this backside, I just found some garbage under here, which I did not spot before. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I did clean this out from the tools and crap he had in here. And of course I missed some, you know, as usual. You can't perfectly find everything, but I would prefer grab as much as I can out from here. So it looks like that's it. Just a lot of debris down there. Alright, let's go ahead and continue. Alright guys, quick look at the back seat, the underside. Honestly, not too bad in terms of debris. I'm going to try the best I can to get under this plastic here. I honestly don't feel much, just more junk I just found. But honestly, in terms of debris, I don't feel much, so it should be an easy vacuuming under here. And then of course we'll get to the backrest here, and then the I guess the butt rest, if you'd like to say that. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll do the floorboard of the back seat here, and then our last part is the front where the driver and passengers sit. So let's go ahead and get to work. The neighbor's turkeys decided to pay me a visit. All right, you go, guys, go ahead and stay there. And all right, and let me do my work. All right, let's get to work. Alright, I'm done with the rear. I just have to do the driver's seat and passenger seat back. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but you know, you gotta prep it for you know, basically carpet cleaning. Everything came out pretty nice, to be honest, except this one part here. Now, it feels weirdly wet, and when I try to vacuum it, as you can see, it does that to the seat. So that leads me to believe with enough elbow grease I can at least get it faint with the carpet cleaner. Other than that, in terms of stains, the seats don't really have much besides that one spot and this little part right here. But now I'm going to go ahead and clean the back sides of this, and then we're going to go ahead and get to the front. Alright, I just finished the passenger seats, and here's the front. As you can see, it's pretty, you know, it's the mostly used section of the car, so of course there's going to be more dirt and everything, but a special case with this one is a lot of ash. He is a smoker, so I'm going to try my best to vacuum it out. And of course the next stages would be to carpet clean and to steam clean as much as possible. So go ahead and clean this. I'll show a little bit. As you can see, the sun is I'm not sure if you see it, but the sun is going a bit down. I'm not sure how much time I have left in terms of day, so I'll go ahead and get started. Alright folks, I'm pretty much done vacuuming for the day. So this is pretty much prep work before the spot cleaner, you know, to clean the carpets here. But didn't come out too bad. Obviously this was used as a work vehicle for my father, and he's a mechanic, so you could imagine, you know, transmission fluid, engine oil, whatever else is in here, just sitting in here, you know, baked into the carpet. So we'll do the best we can, but honestly I'm liking so far where we're going, you know, headed. There's something here. I'm not sure if this is rust or what, but hopefully the rug doctor will be able to take that out. Again, another moist thing. But honestly, didn't come out too bad. Like I said, I'll try to not use the mats because those are pretty bad and torn. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one where I do some carpet cleaning with that spot cleaner. So I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.